interface to make our geometry. So again, you can go to the next tab, which is this facility tab. And now we are in this building section, okay? The building sub tab, you can call it. In this building sub tab, you can rename the building, let's say San Francisco underscore office high rise. And you can also provide some basic information. You need not to worry about this. This information is only for reporting purpose. So even if you don't provide it, it's all right. So if you change the north axis here, it will also rotate your building as per that. All right. So for example, if I make it 90-degree, my rotation of building changes. Okay. In case you don't rotate the building in SketchUp, you can always do it here in building type or actual building section. In case your building has only one space type, you can just assign the space type here. All right. And you need not to worry about assigning at each and every space. But again, they are not those many projects where you can assign just one space type to whole building. Maybe like something like warehouse, but that's very unique. You always want to provide the construction set at building level. That's the most preferred location. You can also provide schedule set. That's not preferred. You can move to the stories. Again, you know how stories work. In case you have multiple floors, multiple sections of your project, when they were constructed in different era, let's say one building was constructed in 1950s and another building block was constructed in 1980s, you can assign different construction set here. Maybe same thing for schedules. Maybe the buildings have